I've been using Nikon for more than a decade, and it is a very reliable and trustworthy ecosystem. But I decided to try on Sony for a couple of reasons. One is the technological advancement, and is the lightweight aspect of it. So, in order to check on these two parameters, I went to Kumana National Park recently, and I was able to take some good pictures of leopards, birds in action, as well as tusker in action as well. So let's find out what I have taken so far. Mostly, as you guys know, I'm more fanatic with leopards. So let's find out what I have captured. Ciao for now.